Hello everyone, this is English with Pass. Today we're going to learn the months of the year. So let's get started. First, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now it's time for the quiz. So, what is the second month of the year? Correct, February. Now, what is the fourth month of the year? April. Very good. Now, the ninth month of the year. September. Very good. Last one. What is the last month of the year? December. Excellent. So that was today's lesson. Make sure to practice more. Thanks for watching. Bye.